For this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart your bike headset to clean it out and to reassemble it. First thing I'm going to do is take the wheel off the front of the bike. To do that, I've disconnected my front brakes. I've released my quick release lever and twisted it to the left to allow the wheel to slide down out of the bike's fork. Just like that. Now that I've gotten the bike's wheel off, I'm going to take a 3-sided Allen wrench to loosen to the left the bolt in the bike's stem. Loosening this bolt to the left should allow us to pull the stem out of the front of the bike. Now that we've taken the stem out of the front of the bike, we're going to disassemble the headset of the bike. We're going to start the first piece. We're going to twist this to the left, and I've already loosened it with a large adjustable wrench. I'm going to take this piece off and place them on the ground in the order that I'm taking them off. Secondly, I'm going to take off the spacers off the headset. On my bike, I have 3 spacers that each have a little notch that correspond to the back of the headset that has a little divot where these notches feed in. The next thing I'm going to do is I've already taken a large adjustable wrench to loosen this piece of the headset, and now I'm able to use my hands to twist this to the left. And while you do this, make sure to hold on to the front of your fork, because these are the pieces that are allowing the front of the fork to stay inside of the bike. Next thing I'm going to do is to slide the fork out of the front of the bike. You're going to be able to see 2 sets of ball bearings. The first on the bottom, and the second pair on the top. Now that I've taken both sets of ball bearings out of the bike, I've just taken a napkin to clean off the bearings, to remove all the grease and just the debris that's gunked up inside of them. I'm also going to take the napkin to clean out this kind of cone-shaped top and this same matching cone that faces down on the bottom. Make sure you clean that out good so that when we re-grease them, the ball bearings are going to be able to slide pretty easily in there to rotate while you're riding on your bike. You can take your grease gun and squirt a good amount of grease inside this cone part of the headset. Take a little bit of grease and just use your finger to rub that all around the interior. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a little bit of grease and do that on the bottom cone as well. What we're going to want to do now is to take those same ball bearings that we've cleaned out and place them back inside the headset. The top ball bearing is going to face down so that there's a smooth top. And the bottom set of ball bearings is going to face the opposite way, with the balls going up and the flat side facing downward. The next thing we're going to do is to slide our fork back inside the bike's headset. Just like that. And we're now going to re-screw on the pieces that we've initially taken off the bike. Back on the 3 spacers that we took off. You need to make sure that on these rings there's a tiny little notch, and that aligns to the divot that's on the rear part of the headset. 1, 2, 3. The last piece that we're going to put back onto the bike is the top piece that we took off. I'm going to screw back onto the right. And after you hand tighten these, you want to take a large adjustable wrench to make sure that these are really tightened on well to the headset. We're now going to take a final little bit of grease and to put that on the wedge of your handlebar stem. We're going to rub that around just on this last little piece right here. After you've greased the wedge, we're going to slide the stem back inside the headset. The last step is to put in your bike's front wheel back on. put it on the way we took it off by putting it back into the fork, turning the quick release lever to the right, and pushing down on it. This has been how to take apart and reassemble your bike's headset.